All right, so a couple of handy tools here. So it is kind of difficult to, if you need to access the sprinkler heads with your fingers, it can be awkward or painful. So you're going to squeeze and it'll pinch it, and then you can kind of grasp it like that. Once you have a hold on it, you can fasten it with this, and it's not going to go anywhere. And now if you need to access anything, maybe you need to change the filter out, clean it, anything like that, your hand's free. You don't have to hold on to this. It's very convenient. And when you're all done with that, just let go. And you also get this nozzle adjuster. You need to adjust the spray. To adjust the distance of the spray, you have this in one setting. You can also use it with other sprinkler types. Now you can also do with this screwdriver, it has a design for Rainbird key slot here. You just stick that in, turn it like 90 degrees, and now it's going to hold on to this. Now you have easy access if you need to pull this up and maybe change a nozzle or anything like that. Now it also comes with these different clamps that can hold on, so you can access. It also has a leveling bubble, and you can see my leveling is off a little bit. So if you're going to install these sprinklers, this is a great way to install it properly, to where it's a little bit better as far as leveling, and it can help increase your watering frequency efficiency. And it's also going to come with these other clamps for here. Now this would be used for Hunter sprinklers, MP rotators. This part will adjust the nozzle, the distance, and then this ring here will go on and can adjust the angle of how much of an angle you want. And then this is for a different rotor nozzle type, like a Hunter, that you can adjust the angle and the distance.